Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the SIM card slot on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In order to open the SIM tray, you have to take a look at the left side of this device. So over here we have the SIM tray. And now what we need to do is use the pin ejector that is of course included inside the box of the device. And now simply place the pin inside this hole over here. And once you put it in, you want to push in order to slightly take out the tray, and then use your fingers in order to take it out completely. There we go. So this is how the SIM tray looks like. And now in order to use the SIM card, we have two SIM slots. This is the first one, and over here in the middle we can use another SIM card. So if you have two SIM cards and you want to use both of them, then of course you can do that in this case. Match the slot with the SIM card, so place it like that. If you have issues with inserting the SIM card, you can simply place it on the table or something and then just gently put it in. And once you are done, simply put the SIM tray back in. So let's take a look. Of course, match the circle that we used in order to open the SIM tray. Just put it in like that. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!